Well, this morning in Canmore at our latest listing, I am sitting on the dock of the bay just waiting for my yacht to pull up and take me away to downtown Canmore. You're not going to want to miss this listing.
You're right, Richard. It is very rare to have waterfront property in Canmore, and this feeling back here is very hard to describe. It's absolutely so calm, so peaceful, yet you're only a 5-minute walk to downtown.
So this home has been extensively renovated and was built for entertaining, and the outdoor space is incredible. It really does mean that you can spend all summer outside in this beautiful, peaceful environment.
So the rear deck here extends the entire width of the house, which is 40 feet. Have a look at that view. You've got an amazing fire pit area. You've got access to the deck from the kitchen and of course from the living room as well.
Well, we've got privacy all around this house. As you can see from the beginning of this video, we've got privacy in the back against Spring Creek, and then we're butting onto a dead-end cul-de-sac, and we've got over 3,000 square feet in this house in total.
So included in this $1 million+ renovation was solar, a metal roof, metal and hardy board exterior, and you'd be hard pressed to find a house in Canmore that's got better landscaping than this. Welcome to the heart of the kitchen. The sellers here are actual chefs, or one of them is an actual chef, and this kitchen is absolutely unbelievable. There is so much detail in here. We are going to walk you through it. Starting off with this galley workstation sink, which was over $10,000. It is unbelievable. Then we move over into the bar sink. Then we've got this custom made ladder to reach all of the items up top. You really need to experience this kitchen. You flow right out into the backyard and this incredible deck and the creek. This dining table actually seats about 14, and we'll show you later that this folds up to become a workstation as well. Incredible lighting, so many details to speak of in this home. So we're just at the front entrance here. You've got this beautiful custom mudroom, feeds out to the 2-car garage. You've got a main floor laundry, and then over into the living room.
So they really thought through this layout really well. That entertaining kitchen flows into this beautiful living space. We've got the vaulted ceilings, as you can see, and then this bank of windows that looks out over Spring Creek and that back garden, just to give you that sense of peace and tranquility, again, while you're living in the main house. And just off the living space, you've got this incredible private office. As we come up to the upper level, we've got 3 bedrooms up here, one behind me, one just behind you, and then a 3-piece bathroom. And we're going to get to the primary suite in a minute because it's absolutely incredible. And then we've also got this lovely south-facing deck, partially covered, so that you can spend all summer either in the sun or in the shade.
As Richard said, included in the $1 million+ renovation, which happened in 2022, this primary ensuite was completely redone. Beautiful gas fireplace, walnut details, once again done by Canmore woodcrafters, and an incredible view out the back. I love what they've done here with a separate water closet, Japanese style toilet. The vanities were actual furniture that Canmore woodcrafters converted into cabinets, and then you've got the main ensuite over here. This is a stunning primary ensuite. The window perfectly balanced to let in natural light, heated floors, soaker tub. I absolutely love it. So the front of the house is just as beautiful as out back, with all of this landscaping, south facing, and some protection from the sun.
As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this property or any others in Canmore, our contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming for you in the next few weeks.